This is Brinsworth level crossing in Rotherham, next to CF Booth Scrapyard. It is also next to a little canal. This is the location. Ickles Lock. That's one of the entrances to the scrapyard. This line is known as the Holmes Chord. Got Meadowhall and Sheffield in that direction. And just round the corner there is Rotherham Central Station. And the Sheffield Super Tram runs past there, that way towards Tinsley, and that way towards Rotherham Central Station. So, maybe something will come. Oh, that's good timing. It's a quiet one. Let's get it in largely. There we go. Expecting one from that direction. It's a Sheffield to York, I believe. Should be a class 150. Some good safety signage. That might be to do with this access point just there. There's the sign over there for CF Booths. I see a train coming. They are JP, one of them. Is going to Adwick. There we go. We've got another closure. I think there's another class 150 just about to leave Rotherham Central. That's umbrella. What will this one be? See some. Lots of vehicles moving around in the background down there. This is quite a busy scrapyard, CF Booths, quite well known. Even on a Saturday there's a lot of work going on in there. What are we going to see? Brinsworth level crossing in Rotherham. Bye for now.